Okay, so as mothers, we love to let our kids do slime and different things like that, but yeah, it got on their clothes, so we're gonna try to get rid of it using some vinegar. Okay, vinegar. I'll put some vinegar on here. I've never done this before, so we're hoping that it works. I'm sure there's a lot. So we're going to pour that vinegar on there and just let it sit for 10 minutes. And once it sits for 10 minutes, we're going to come back and try to scrape off what we can. See if it'll come up. Hopefully we can save our pants. Here goes something. Okay, so let this sit a little bit longer. I'm just going to use a regular bristle brush and scrub away. Then we can get it off.
It worked. Still scrubbing.
Scrub it up good. Save the plants, y'all. It works. So now I know as a mother, you don't have to be afraid to let your kids use slime. Get you some vinegar and have it on standby, okay? So if they get slime on their clothes and they get stuck, fill off as much as you can. Soak it in a sink with vinegar. I didn't put no water in it. Put vinegar on it and then turn them over so it can sit in the vinegar. Let it sit for like 10 minutes. I probably did about 34 minutes. I'll let it sit for a minute. Take your little bristle. It can be a little dish brush or whatever. One that you don't use to, or a new brush, doesn't matter. Scrub it. It'll come right off. And then just wash it in. So that's one more time. And it didn't just cover the beans. She might smell like pickles, so we're not. When you wash it, it'll take that.